Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 26. From whatever cause the restless and the unsteady mind wanders away, from that let him restrain it and bring it back under the control of the self alone.
Chapter 6, Shloka 26. Yato yato nischarati manaschancchalam astiram tatastato niyamyaitat atmanyeva vasham nayet.
Chapter 6, Shloka 26. After detailed instruction to serious seekers, in this shloka we have instructions for those who have a fickle, unsteady mind. The instruction to control the mind and to fix it constantly on the contemplation of the self is easy to understand, but difficult to practice because of the restless and unsteady nature of the mind. Neither can the mind constantly think of one object, nor can it constantly think of different objects. Even after the mind has been controlled from running after sense objects, it gets disturbed by memories of its past experiences. This wandering of the mind can be due to past memories or due to some nearby object or due to some association of ideas, some attachment or aversion, or even due to some spiritual desire. Lord Krishna says that there is no cause for worry, as that is the nature of the mind. So, from whatever cause the restless and the unsteady mind wanders away, from that let him restrain it and bring it back under the self alone. Since the mind is a thought flow and it is habitually flowing in dissimilar channels of thinking, bring the mind back. The bringing back by willpower doesn't work for long, as it again wanders away into a new line of thinking. It is natural. A steady, motionless mind is no mind at all. So, as earlier the mind was restrained from running after the sense objects by the technique of meditation, by the very same technique, the process of withdrawal has to be completed. The very same mind has to be, through conscious effort of the meditator, engaged in the contemplation of the self. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.